ha ka baya de ber ka Jingeh ka balami ha ka ba penlong ya ke exam CUET ha ne hu shlong menteri rang ba ka jela kon rat sangma la pentikna balada ka don ka jing snyo Khia Halor ka ne un saya kren bat ka Sorkar pedeng ban penlong ya ka jing toket.
I have not heard of any mismanagement, number one. Number two, the CUT exam is conducted by central agencies. It's not conducted by the state government. And therefore it is completely in their jurisdiction. Number three, for the last many years, we were able to get the exemption because we do not have enough centers. Even now, we don't have enough centers, but at least every region today has a center. And I thank the government of India. Today, Jowai, Shillong, and Tura have the CUET center. Third point, which is very important to note, is that the CUET exam, again, a reminder to everybody, is mainly for the exams that are being conducted, for college admissions in the center in the NEHU courses, and that is the reason why today, after the amendment to the Captain Williamson Sangma University, we will be able to now affiliate all the colleges from NEHU to the state university, so that any college that is not planning to have any kind of course affiliated with NEHU doesn't need to affiliate with NEHU anymore in the future. And they will affiliate with the Captain Williamson Sangma University, which will then make it very easy for those colleges to then not conduct the CUET exam anymore in the future. Again, as I said, it's not something that that we as state government handle. It's a central government agency that handles this. But if there are certain concerns that are there, we'll be happy to take up. Last time there was some issue even with the NEET exam, again conducted by central agency. We took up the matter as a state government with the agency and asked them to inquire into it. Similarly, if there is an issue with the CUET exam, we will definitely speak to the agency at the center and ask them to inquire into it.